We're trying to create a platform that makes Mercury absolutely the gold standard of adaptive change.
We've got 200,000 customers that were the old Trustpower, legacy Trustpower customer base, similar number of customers coming from Mercury, and obviously we need to migrate those onto a common set of systems and platforms. There's the technology challenge, which is not insignificant. There's also the fact that you've got people from two completely different organisations that are used to working in different ways.
It's all about becoming a more modern, future-fit organisation. So how do we create an organisation where future generations want to work, where we have the culture that's all about learning and experimenting, trying new things and delivering value faster.
We were at Mercury very fortunate that we had a great desire to get to one brand, one team, one technology stack and one culture.
It was really important that we built something that was future fit and something that could take the combined organisation forward.
The world is very dynamic now, it's changing constantly, so how can we create that environment where change is the norm but without exhausting people so that they feel like there's another big change coming. So it's making it more continuous. How do we just make it part of everyday work?
We spent a lot of time thinking about what that meant, what should that look like, what did we care about. Lots of concepts around empowering people, creating a growth mindset in our culture, trying to create a culture there where learning and development was really important. People felt like they could collaborate across the business, not just within their line of business. The decision was made that if we were going to do this, we really needed to double down, choose a large strategic project and invest effort in that project, and not only delivering it, but rethinking the way in which we delivered it.
If you can get the whole of your organisation motivated to be part of the change, that just creates an enormous opportunity.
That was why it was so important that we came up with a delivery model that was kind of new for both parties so that everybody could start to agree on what that looked like and how it would work.
We decided we wanted to do this ourselves, so we wanted to partner with an organisation like Radically that worked alongside with us, and we could use most of our own people to actually make the change happen so that the change sticks, rather than someone coming in, doing it to us and then leaving again.
Right from the outset they were there thinking about how we design the project team, how we think about the delivery model.
I've probably learnt more in the last year than I've learnt in my whole career about people and what makes them tick and how to try and influence change, and Radically have actually been brilliant to partner with. They've taught us all here loads, and that's part of their responsibility with us, is to help lift the capability of all of our people so that we can be sustainable, we can self-sustain this change.
They bring good capability to the table, good thought leaders, people who genuinely make a difference and add value, and people who aren't afraid to roll up their sleeves when things get challenging.
We've been really impressed with the calibre of their people that come and work with us. They're just good humans. They stand strong on some of their beliefs around the people and the teams and trust and all the important things to build, and that's been quite impressive, and I think something we've learnt from them.
We operate on a high trust basis in terms of the way in which we engage them and the way in which they engage in our organisation. They've really helped us shift our thinking in terms of the way in which we are now thinking about the future design for the organisation.
A lot of people are really excited and want more, they actually believe in this now, I think, and can see a brighter future. Other organisations, we know it's 10 years down the track and they still haven't managed to integrate all of their customers into one technology stack. So to do it in a year and a half is quite an incredible feat.
In terms of the organisation's future, I think we're in an incredibly privileged position. We will play a key role in the decarbonisation of the New Zealand economy as a result of the sector in which we're operating. We've got an enormous opportunity in the retail space, given the size and scale of our customer base and the nature of the products and services we're able to offer them. From the perspective of the business, I think the business is very, very well positioned. It's an exciting time to be part of it.